This is the most common way to fix a PC with no signal or a black screen. It is very basic, but 90% of the time it is effective. Okay, let's start. Let's try to fix it. Press hold the power button to force shutdown. Unplug the power outlet of the monitor and the desktop. Hold the monitor's power button for 5 seconds to reset or restore its input display to default. Next, remove the side cover of your desktop. Remove the CMOS battery to reset the BIOS. Why is it necessary to reset the BIOS? It could be due to wrong display output, overclocking, compatibility issues, or corrupted BIOS settings. Next, remove the RAM carefully. Press hold the power button 5 seconds to reset the BIOS. Why use an eraser to clean RAM? Over time, the metal contacts on RAM sticks can collect dust or oxidation, which prevents proper connection with the motherboard. This can cause a no-signal issue on the monitor. A clean eraser gently removes dirt and oxidation from the contacts, helping restore a good connection. Reinstall the CMOS battery. Reinstall the RAM in just one slot. Plug in the power cable of the monitor and computer. Switch on the monitor. Turn on the PC. Let's wait. The display is taking a bit longer to appear because the BIOS was reset. If there is still no signal, try the second RAM stick. Maybe one of the RAM sticks is the problem. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.